Hi, this is Colin Webster from the University of South Carolina. I've uploaded a video of a recording that we did about a week ago for the CSPAP Research Special Interest Group with Shape America. The recorded video includes both a lecture and a symposium. And I'd just like to share with you a slide to introduce the content of the video that I have uploaded. So just bear with me for a minute as I bring that up. Okay. If you were unable to join the live meeting, it was virtually done on April 23rd. You can view most of the meeting with the uploaded recording on this website. You can see that the title was Comprehensive School Physical Activity Programs, or CSPAP, and again, this covered both the virtual lecture and the research symposium. The distinguished lecturer for this year's CSPAP Research SIG was Dr. Tim Brusseau, and the first part of the recording is his talk, and unfortunately, the first few minutes of his talk were not recorded, but most of the talk is there, and following his talk is a period for some question and answers, and then the research symposium included 5 presentations, and you can see the titles of those presentations here on this slide. Unfortunately, we ran out of time for questions and answers after the research symposium, but all presenters, and including myself, we would be happy to address questions that you might have following your viewing of the recorded session. So with that, I'll let you go ahead and click on the uploaded video. It's titled the CSPAP Research Distinguished Lecture and Research Symposium. And again, if you do have any questions, please don't hesitate to reach out to me personally. You can email me at websterc@mailbox.sc.edu. Thank you and enjoy.